In this video, I will be showing you how to download Netflix desktop app in Windows laptop or PC. So let's get started. For this, just go to search and type store. We'll be having the Microsoft Store. Open it, and in store we'll be having the search. Go and search for Netflix, and here we are having the Netflix app. Click it and just look at the number of ratings. Just click on get. This will take some time to download and install, so just be patient for a while. Once it is done, just go to search and type Netflix. We'll be having the Netflix app. You can create a desktop shortcut or just simply print it to taskbar and you'll be having it over here. So just open it. That's it. We'll be getting the Netflix interface. Simply sign in and start using it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.